Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered about the invisible force of magnets? Well, today we're going on an adventure with a very special friend to find out. Meet Sparky, a curious little robot on a big mission. One sunny afternoon, Sparky stumbled upon something amazing. A big, red, horseshoe-shaped magnet. What kind of superpower did this strange object hold? Sparky couldn't wait to investigate. Its first mission: test the magnet on everything in sight. Sparky cautiously approached a small pile of iron nails. Whoosh! The magnet pulled them right up, as if by magic. Next, it tried some shiny nickel coins. Clink, clink, they stuck fast to the magnet too. Sparky was amazed. But wait, the magnet didn't seem to work on everything. Sparky waved it over a smooth wooden block, but nothing happened. It then tried a colorful plastic cup and even a shiny aluminum can, but neither of them budged. It seemed this magical power was picky. Sparky learned that magnets only attract certain types of metals, like iron and nickel. That's why the wood, plastic, and aluminum were left behind. Then, Sparky came across a jumbled mess on the floor, a mix of steel paper clips, colorful rubber bands, and smooth glass marbles. This was the ultimate test. Sparky lowered the magnet into the pile. In a flash, all the steel paper clips leaped up and clung to the magnet, leaving the rubber bands and marbles behind. It was like a super-powered sorting machine. Sparky had discovered a fun and easy way to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic ones. So, why does this happen? Let's take a closer look. Inside magnetic metals like iron, tiny particles called atoms are all lined up in the same direction, like a perfectly organized team. This alignment creates a strong, invisible force field, but in non-magnetic materials, like wood or plastic, the atoms are all scattered and pointing in random directions. They can't work together, so there's no magnetic pull. Sparky was thrilled with its discovery. With its new magnet in hand, our little robot friend zipped off, ready for more magnetic adventures. Who knows what it will discover next? Thanks so much for joining Sparky and me today. If you had fun learning about magnets, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science adventures. See you next time.